अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है चैप्टर नंबर 8 वर्क। वर्क में जो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है एनर्जी। एनर्जी टेंडेंसी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क is called energy. The SI unit of energy is joule and it is a scalar quantity. काम करने की जो सलाहियत होती है वो एनर्जी कहलाती है। इसका यूनिट भी जूल है। इसका यूनिट भी जूल है और इसकी क्वांटिटी जो है वो स्केलर क्वांटिटी है। काइंड्स ऑफ एनर्जी: मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, केमिकल एनर्जी, लाइट एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी, टाइडियल एनर्जी, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी एंड एटॉमिक एनर्जी। मुझे अंदाज़ा है कि आप लोगों को मैकेनिकल एनर्जी के बारे में पता होगा, जो मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी की वजह से पैदा होती है या उसका सबब बनती है। यहाँ पर एक है टाइडल एनर्जी। टाइडल एनर्जी जो वेव्स की सूरत में पैदा होती है, इसको टाइडल एनर्जी कहते हैं। और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है जियोथर्मल एनर्जी। ज़मीन के वो हिस्से जो ज़मीन अंदरूनी तौर पर जो है वो गर्म है और उस गर्माइश को की जो एनर्जी है उसको जब हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो जो है जियोथर्मल एनर्जी कहलाती है। यहाँ पर इसकी दो मेन काइंड्स हैं जिसके बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे। वो है काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। काइनेटिक एनर्जी energy due to the motion of the body is called kinetic energy. The SI unit is joule and it is calculated by the formula of Ke is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. This is called kinetic energy. If a body moves from one place to another place, that is due to kinetic energy, and all energy have a same unit of joule, and work is also the same unit, joule. Now we derive this equation. K is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. So we know that work is equal to F multiplied by D. This is called equation number 1. Now here we can see a picture. Now there is the body A which have an initial velocity 0 and its final velocity is V, and when we apply the force on it, it produces an acceleration A, and the body displays in the direction of force, which is called S. Here W is equal to Ke and F is equal to Ma, and here D displacement is equal to S. Now data for finding the displacement S. V is equal to 0 meter per second, Vf is equal to V meter per second, and S is equal to S, and A is equal to A meter per second square. According to third law of equation of motion, 2as is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. In the second step, 2as is equal to on the place of Vf we will write V square. On the place of Vi we write 0. So when we solve this equation, it will be conclude like this: 2as is equal to V square, or we can write in an easy manner S is equal to V square upon 2a. We have calculated this thing to find out the S value. Now, as putting the value of W, F, S in equation number 1. Now here again we are writing here S is equal to D. So on the place of D we will write the value of S. On the place of F we will write FA, and on the place of W we will write KE, which we have already mentioned above. Now you can see we have written W is equal to KE and F is equal to MA and D is equal to S. Now for this purpose we are writing here the value. On the place of W we will write KE, which is kinetic energy. F, on the place of F we are writing MA, and on the place of D, which is S is equal to D, and we will write V square upon 2A. Now here we cancel both the A, which is one is in a numerator and one is denominator. So our simplified equation will be KE is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. mv square means kinetic energy depend on the velocity of the body and the mass of the body. If we have the velocity is 2, so it will become in this equation 4, because we are taking the square of the velocity. If our velocity is 3, it will become 9 because we are taking the square of the velocity. So this is very important equation, so you have to learn by heart because it will come in your paper. Next, energy. An example of kinetic energy is moving bullet has a kinetic energy. Moving water of a river has a kinetic energy. And the moving car, bus, truck has a kinetic energy. Now, our next topic is power. Power. This word is very familiar in our daily life. हम में कितनी ताकत है और इसमें बड़ी power है. So now we are studying the definition of power in the term of physics. The rate of doing work. The rate of doing work is called power. यानी एक काम को अगर हम टाइम के साथ रिलेट कर लें, एक काम 10 मिनट में हुआ और एक काम 2 मिनट में हुआ, तो हम जब इसको काम को टाइम से रिलेट कर देंगे, टाइम ड्यूरेशन से रिलेट कर देंगे, तो वो उसकी पावर कहलाएगी. It is denoted by P, and SI unit of power is watt. Watt, and its symbol is W, capital W. Mathematically, power can be described by the formula power is equal to work done upon time, and P is equal to W upon T. Now we are finding the power, a relationship of a power with the velocity. Power and velocity, and P is equal to FV. Suppose a constant force acts on a body, and the distance it through some and displays it through some distance s in the direction of force in time t. Then the work done is W is equal to Ft. Here D is equal to S. Now we know that the power is equal to W upon T. So we will write on the place of Fd, पावर जो है यानी पावर का जो फॉर्मूला है W की जगह पे हम लिख देंगे F मल्टीप्लाई बाई D अपॉन T. और D अपॉन T जो होता है वो किसके बराबर होता है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बराबर होता है. तो B इज इक्वल टू हमारा आंसर आएगा P इज इक्वल टू एफ V. So hence we have another definition of power. Hence the power is the product of force and velocity. Now the definition of 1 volt. If 1 joule work done in 1 second, then the power is 1 volt. 1000 volt is equal to 1 kilovolt, and 10 lakhs is equal to 1 megawatt. Our next topic is potential energy. Potential energy, the energy possessed by the body by virtue of its position or configuration. It is calculated by the formula P is equal to mgh. Now, एक ऐसी एनर्जी जो अपनी पोजीशन या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की वजह से पैदा हो। अब पोजीशन का मतलब हाइट और कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का मतलब अगर हमने स्प्रिंग इस्तेमाल किया हो, तो अगर हम स्प्रिंग को बंद कर लें तो उसके अंदर एक एनर्जी होती है। जैसे ही आप स्प्रिंग पर फोर्स हटाते हैं तो वो दोबारा अपनी इनिशियल पोजीशन पे आ जाता है। इसका मतलब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है। समटाइम बॉडीज के अंदर इलास्टिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की वजह से जो एनर्जी पैदा होती है वो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कहलाती है। देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, वन इज कॉल्ड gravitational potential energy and second is called elastic potential energy. Now we study both the definition one by one. Gravitational potential energy, GPE. When a mass is lifted to a height in the gravitational field is called gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh, where GPE is called gravitational potential energy, m is equal to mass, h is equal to height, and g is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Explanation. Two blocks of the same mass placed at a different height. The block which is at the highest point has more potential energy, and the block which is at the lowest point has less potential energy. Now, the derivation of gravitational potential energy. We lift a body of mass m to the height h, then the force applied on its weight, and it will be act through some distance h. So the work is equal to F multiplied by D. Now here W is equal to mg, mean W mean force is equal to W and distance is equal to height. So, and we write that W is equal to mg. So our formula is equal to W is equal to mgh. Now this W shows work, and all the work is equal to energies. So since the work is equal to energy possessed by the body, so GPE is equal to mgh. तो स्टूडेंट, अभी मैं आप लोगों के माइक ऑन कर रहा हूं। अगर आप लोगों को कोई इसमें सवाल हो तो आप पूछ लीजिएगा। इससे मुतालिक जो है हम दोबारा से एक रिव्यू आप लोगों का ले लेंगे। आप लोग एक एक करके अपने जो है माइक खोलें, और आपको इसमें कोई बात समझ में नहीं आई है, मैंने ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर ली है। अगर आपको इसमें और कोई भी चीज़ समझ नहीं आई हो तो आप बराह रास्त मुझसे मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे भी रब्ता कर सकते हैं, और मैं इसको दोबारा भी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ। मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि जो चीज़ हमने पढ़ी है, अगर इससे मुतालिक आपको कोई सवाल है तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं। जी बेटा, मैं आपका वेट कर रहा हूँ। Do you have any problem? We have studied energy, kinds of energy, and there are two main type of energy. One is called kinetic energy, and another is called potential energy. We have tried the derivation of kinetic energy, which is very important. Second one, we have studied power and the relationship of power with the work upon time, and the relationship of power with F and V, mean force and velocity. Afterwards, we have studied the second type of energy which is called potential energy. There are two type of potential energy. One is called gravitational potential energy and other is called elastic potential energy. And we have tried the formula. How can we find out GPE? तो हम अपनी क्लास ख़त्म कर रहे हैं, ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगी।